Yo, what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in. Give me just one moment. I gotta fix the sound on this TV. Yes, how y'all doing this good evening? Took a trade on Great British Pound USD. I'm in the trade for 6 hours and 54 minutes. Back on demo for a moment. I just had to do some work this weekend, on the charts this weekend, and I just really wanted to, really create a little bit like extreme accuracy due to the fact that I be at work and I need to know once my trade alert goes off, I need to be 100% sure that my trade is a victory. So I did some work this weekend. I'm just going to test it out right now. So that's what you see right now. 31.80. Did a sell. Market's at 31.76. Right now I'm in the red. About 10 contracts at 42.25. And we will see what it will be in the next 6 hours, 53 minutes. I'll be getting back with you guys shortly. Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Alex Jenkins checking back in. As you can see, we got 29 minutes left on this trade. The market has moved quite a bit. It hit a few of my targets along the way. One thing is, for some odd reason, it didn't give me an alert last night, so I'm kind of upset at that. And I knew I set the alerts, but I know the targets was hit because I came back and seen the market and where it looked at and where it was at currently. But as you can see, the trade is going very well. I'm not gonna be able to close this video out at victory. So after that being said, got 28 minutes left. We know it's gonna be a victory. Just gonna leave it at that. We're down 20 pips right now, so that's looking pretty good. Testing the strategy out, see how well it works. I look like that's a go on that one. Looking smooth. Get back with you guys in a moment. Alright, y'all, I'm back to close out the video. It's 20 minutes left. Bought contracts at 42.25. That's how much I make per contract. So that'll be $425 I'll be making on this trade. As you can see, the market's at 31.59. So we over 20 pips. So things looking pretty good. Oh yeah, knowing that it's no news today with Forex Factory. Alright, Canadian holiday. So we got Canadian holidays today. So all day today, we ain't gotta worry about them. The pound had news last night at 4:30. I think that's what continued to push the market down. There's news at 10 a.m. for U.S. manufacturing news, so we'll see what that does to the market. But I'm not gonna be in the trade by that time, so it'll be over with. So I know my trade's not gonna be affected by the news. So as of right now, it's gonna be a clear-cut 20 pip victory. I'm gonna leave it at that, man. Alex, you can check it out.